Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're solving the problem of the transform handles missing in Photoshop version 27. I've got 3 previous videos on this same topic for the last 3 versions of Photoshop before this one. Every time a new version is released, the transform handles disappear again. So I've got the move tool here. I've got a shape. You can see it's a shape and I'm just going to click on it, and while it is selected, the transform handles are not there. Because it's a shape, if I were to select it with the path selection tool, then the handles are going to appear. But if I'm using the move tool, they're not here. But with the move tool, you can get them there if you go up here to the edit menu and go down to free transform. Now it looks on the face of it, because there's a check mark there, that I am in free transform mode, but I'm not. When I click on this in just a minute, check what happens to the control bar up here, because it's going to change. So let's go back down to free transform, click on it. And now you can see that the transform handles are reappearing. And that happens because we're now in actual free transform mode. Now, while we're here, a couple of other things. There's a little checkbox here that you can click on to show the rotation point, and that's movable. So if you want to rotate your shape around a different point, you can display the rotation point here. Now, let me just get out of that and put things back the way they were. Now I have a non-shape up here. This is not a shape, and so selecting on it with the path selection tool is not going to do anything because it's not a shape. So in that case, you're going to have to use the move tool. So clicking on it again, you can see the handles are missing, and we could go into free transform by choosing either edit free transform, or I can just learn the shortcut keystroke, which is Control or Command T. And that's probably one that's really well worth learning these days because of the fact that those transform handles are disappearing, and you have to be able to get them back. In previous versions of Photoshop, there were options here for showing transform handles. They've disappeared. There was also a little checkbox here that you could use. That's disappeared as well. And now they've just buried it inside a very misleading menu, because this menu tends to suggest when I'm in the move tool and I have an object selected that I'm in free transform mode, but I'm not. Something completely different. Now, while we're here, if you want to have that little circular indicator here that it's the center of the shape, if you want that to appear every time, even if this option is not selected, you can set that as a preference. That's one thing you can set as a preference. Let me just get out of here. You'll go to Edit and then Preferences on the Mac. That's Photoshop, and then Preferences, and you'll go to the Tools option. And here is the option for Show Reference Point when using Transform. And so when you're using the free Transform tool, I'm just going to press Control T now, automatically that little checkbox is going to be turned on for every shape. If that works for you, if that's something that you like to have turned on, then there is a setting for that. There's not a setting for these transform handles, unfortunately. If you like carefully researched content like this, clearly presented in a step-by-step format so that you can get great results, then you'll love my Skillshare content. I'm a Skillshare top teacher. I have hundreds of short courses on Skillshare that you can access, along with thousands of other great courses, all for the price of a single subscription. If you're interested, there's a Skillshare coupon for you in the description below to use to sign up. Using this coupon benefits me as a creator, and it helps me continue to make free content available here for you, also on YouTube. Thank you for joining me for this video tutorial. On the screen now, you'll see a video that I've hand-picked for you. If you enjoyed the video you've just watched, I know that you're going to really enjoy the one I've picked for you to watch next.